Q107's Legends of Classic.
Here we are, Sunday night. It's about 10 o'clock. And I finally got the drawers done. Oh yeah. Of course, it's 10 o'clock at night. And it's like finally hit like just over 20 degrees in here. It's actually been pretty warm today. So, took a while, but she's done. Just oak veneered particle board. This bad boy is packed. The big green container is my Hitachi router assembly. That's got the two bases in it and everything, just to give you an idea of how big that one container is. But yeah, that's packed solid, and she slides so nice, just like that. I haven't put anything in the other drawers yet. That's the one. And then I got the dust control underneath it. Yes, I just like threw my phone into the cabinet. It's late. Auto close. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Then these are just the cheap drawers over here. Top one, I'll just throw like pencils and, you know, my squares and stuff like that in it. Oh, Lord. So glad it's finally done. She's gonna go over there. I can get rid of all of that crap. I emptied everything off of that bottom shelf that you can see right now is empty there. And then everything that was inside of that into that one drawer that you just saw. So that was nice. And now it's cleanup time. She's pretty much done. Put a little bit of stain on it, seal it up, and rock and roll. Until later.